In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate QuickBooks to manage your invoices and payments. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just starting out, learning to handle QuickBooks effectively is crucial for smooth operations and accurate bookkeeping. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. Open your favorite web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL, or if you have QuickBooks bookmarked, you can go ahead and click on that bookmark. Once the homepage is open, we're going to focus on the invoicing section, which is fundamental for managing your business transactions. Now that we're on the homepage, locate the Invoices section. It should be easy to spot, prominently displayed on your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on Invoices will take us to the dedicated area where we can manage all our billing documents. Upon entering the Invoices section, you will notice a drop-down box. This is a key feature that allows you to organize, filter, and view your invoices based on different criteria. Click on this drop-down to see the options available to you. Depending on what you need, you can sort them by date, client, or status. This feature is particularly helpful if you're looking to find specific invoices quickly. Next, after locating the invoice you want to work with, it's time to view or edit the details. Simply click on the View Edit option. This step is where you get the opportunity to make any necessary changes or updates to your invoice. Whether it's correcting a mistake, updating client information, or changing the due date, this feature gives you full control over the contents of your invoice. Now let's proceed to handling payments. Once you're satisfied with the invoice, the next step is to navigate over to the Receive Payment option. Clicking this allows you to record a payment for the invoice you've just viewed or edited. It's vital to keep your records up to date so your accounting information reflects the most current state of your business transactions. Finally, after you've made all necessary adjustments and recorded any payments, it's crucial to save these changes. At the top or bottom of the page, you'll see a Save button. Clicking Save ensures that all your edits are applied and stored in your QuickBooks account. This step is essential because it finalizes the changes and updates your records, which is pivotal for maintaining accurate financial data. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to managing invoices in QuickBooks. With practice, these actions will become second nature, simplifying your financial management and allowing you to focus more on growing your business rather than being bogged down by administrative tasks. Remember, staying organized with tools like QuickBooks can significantly enhance your business's financial health.